All right, in Burlington. Okay, handbag department. We have plenty of the Betsy Johnson, $29.99. There's just tons here. I feel like that's all we're gonna see. Madden Girl. I kind of go through this a little bit. 20. We have Adidas. No price on that. There's a Reebok. Yeah. 15. Mini BB one. Looks like a tiny little picnic. Tiny little picnic one, right? Oh, no. Tommy 25. Someone behind you. There's like a spot on there.
It's a fingerprint.
A lot of gas. This is 18. And then Jones, New York. May look behind me. A lot of, yeah, $29.99. I don't know if we've seen that one. That one's gonna be new for me. 28. You can detach that too. And back here, Steve Madden with the thick strap. Totes are 38. $29.99. More Steve Madden. BB Rolling Stones. $21.99. Juicy Couture is 20. I don't want to wear them. There's another one. 25. A lot of backpacks. $21.99. Yeah, a lot of gas. Lot of gas. This brown juicy is 25. I know I've seen this print, but I don't remember seeing like the blinked heart in the JC. 20 for that. And then we have your pinks. Those are 18. More BB. And 38 for this pink one. Oh, that's kind of cute. That's cute. That's cute. Aldo, Steve Madden. Alright. This Guess one. It is silver. $33. Got a clear bag right there. Like a lot of these denim are here. 28, you guys. And like these little totes. That's cute too. For 25. US Polo. They are $15.99. And then the same Steve Madden's like kind of repeat. Jones. Tommy. Steve Madden. Tommy. A lot of Tommy. Oh gosh, look at the blue one. I don't know if we see they're color coordinating. They're like blue, put blue here, people. Blue. Okay. Green. Kind of funny. What is that? Tea, anyone? Limited edition, $4. Like a little Mad Hatter palette. Every time I see the word bomb, I was thinking of Scott Pilgrim for some reason. What is their name? The Sex Bomb. Yeah, Sex Bomb. I don't know. Because everyone keeps calling my daughter Ramona Flowers. She's getting pissed off. She's like, yeah, I was at a show and this guy comes like, hey, Ramona Flowers. I'm like, honey, that's because your hair's you have purple hair. You know what I mean?
Just call him Scott Pilgrim. They'll get pissed off.
These are 5. We got nude, lip oil. We love good lip oil and lip plump. Lip plump. Makeup brushes. Okay. Pretty shade. These are $7. Never know what we're gonna find in here. What's that, Vaseline? 4. Any face mask? Did I miss the department? I didn't see any either. Is this one? For $8. Stuff, more juicy. Minnie Mouse, I'm gonna pass on that because we've seen that in the Hello Kitty one plenty of times. Plenty of times. Oh yes, the boots are out. It's like a wedge. $29.99. Ooh, we got the buckle. Sweet. This one has a heel though, if you're into that. No price on them. Maybe right here. I don't want to yank it off. $27. Nautica boot. Ooh, that means Macy's and Dillard's will have their boots soon. Actually, my Macy's has been so freaking boring. Like, I feel like it should close. I'm not gonna lie. Any new shoes? Could find those at Didi's. Here's Tommy ones. $12.99. Just a lot of like the gems.
It's Christmas time.
Yeah, you put little ornament gem or something. 25.
Just shave your legs. Remember the Christmas trees and the Christmas candles.
Okay, $22.
No Christmas candles.
22, not as much. Okay, let's just keep going. Oh, these are cute. I like the color. Normally we find like the black and gray. At 25. These are cute. Huh? Okay, they have a Disney. This is 17. How funny is that one, right? Cloud. Pumpkin one, that's actually kind of huge. Jessica right here. And that is 10. And more pumpkin. It's weird. Let's walk this way. Okay, let's go through young men. That dude was sitting there laughing at me for filming. I'm like, I'm not filming you. You want me to film you? That's kind of cool. I think this might be like 9. Yeah, $8. I don't know if I should grab this to her. Scarface, of course. A lot of Echo. Stitch. How funny. Yeah, they have some pretty decent shirts. Like for school, like if you're going casual, not bad. You know, Burlington might have a little more different styles compared to Ross. Ross been having trouble. This is the Rebel one, is 10. Protect your peace. Exactly. Protect your peace. I kind of like this. This one is $8. Back of that. Tomorrow is Promise Not. Totally. Totally. Do you guys remember, like on Michael Myers, how many times she says totally?
Oh, yeah.
Totally.
Just in that one scene where they're walking home from school.
Yeah. Okay, what do we have here? Levi's, some hoodies in here. Look at that. A nice one, right? For men. Battle. Okay, I was like, huh? Gap. It's like a suede one. Oh, look at that. I wish these were extra small because my daughter has some of these. They're only 20 bucks when we get them here. But, you know, she's so petite. They look. This is kind of cool, though. She don't need it, though. She got a job now. She can pay for her stuff. Death Row Records. It's funny. Yeah. That's cute. I think we might have seen this one. 18 for the queen. And these fun pillows are 20, and every now and then you can find them in Costco. King is 25. I go down here. 65. 50 on top. That's 59. We have Juicy Couture again, a 45. We can find that in Ross as well. 40 for London Fog. 50. Okay, what do we have today? Just a 4 ghost face.
What is that thing?
Which one? What am I looking at?
What is
Is that Star Wars?
I don't know what that is.
Dungeons and Dragons?
Oh.
Yeah, we wouldn't know. I wouldn't know that. A lot of Hello Kitty here. 5 bucks. That one's cute, right? Adorable. Oh, there's Kenny. Let me go down this one.
He's hoping somebody doesn't break them.
Ooh, look what I found, you guys. See? How much is that? That is $15. That's kind of cute. Let me move this over. Staying Alive. Keeping It Real. That is $5.99. We got Chucky up in here. Powerpuff Girls, like a Disney fall. Okay, any more cute stuff? I'm gonna scan. I don't see anything else. Let's go down here. Normally where the wall art would be. Oh, I feel like the wall art kind of condensed here. Now this Burlington used to be like so much wall art, right? Okay, their Halloween department, not as much though. Look at that. And that guy is just popping out. I feel like the stores are done with Halloween. Like from what I've seen so far.
Yeah, it started in July and then just like whatever.
I wish Home Goods wasn't. I haven't really seen anything too new. They're loading up their aisles with fall. We have some pumpkin here. There's some more coats. I believe those are ladies. We'll look over there in a minute. Okay, ladies' coats. We got Michael Kors. Let me pan out. Michael Kors is $70 for that one that you just throw in your bag. The Guess Green, 40. It's kind of nice, right? Oh, no price on that.
Yeah, there is.
$40. There's a Tommy one. That is $50. It's another long one. Okay, they're bringing them out. Ooh, look at this one right here. $40. Who makes it? Express. Oh yeah. I forgot Express was closing. This is an Express coat for $40. They normally are $75 and up. Hot pink too on the Guess one. That's $40 as well. Okay, let me browse through here before I head on out of here, you guys. That's $5.99. Lot of stitch. Alright, I think I'm gonna head on out of here because they are closing and I got to go. Alright, please stay safe, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me on these walkthroughs, and I will see all of you in the next one.